Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is AZIS. My topic today is the speed of light measurement. The speed of light is one of the most important constants in physics, and it helps us understand the universe. But interestingly, uh, the speed of light cannot be measured directly, like we measure the speed of a car or a planet. Instead, we use indirect method, combining both theory and experiment to build its value. In this discussion, we will explain why the speed of light cannot be measured directly, how we determine its value, and what this limitation means. First, understanding light. Light is an electronic wave that travel at a constant speed in a vacuum, about 299, 792, 458 meter per second. This speed is called c. Unlike objects that have mass, light doesn't have a mass and moves through space without need a medium. The speed of light is constant is uh, Einstein's theory of relativity, which says that light travels at same speed of everyone, no matter how fast they are moving. 2. Secondly, the challenge of measuring speed. To measure speed, we usually need two things: the distance traveled and the time it takes. For physical objects, we see how far they move and measure the time it takes to calculate speed. But light is different. 1. Very high speed. The speed of light is so far that it's difficult to measure how long it takes light to travel even a short distance. Although modern technology is advanced, we still struggle to measure even what that happens in tiny fraction of a second. 2. Synchronized clocks. To measure light speed, we will need synchronous clock at the starting and ending point. However, synchronizing clock depends on the speed of light, which makes direct measurement difficult. One way, first, 3D, one way versus two-way speed of light. When we measure light speed, it's usually in terms of this two-way speed. This involves standing light beyond to distant mirror and measuring the time it takes to return by dividing the total distance by the time take. We are calculate the average speed. This method assumes that light travel at the same speed in both directions, but we can verify this assumption directly. the one-way speed of light. How fast light travels in one direction is even harder to measure. Since we need light to synchronize the log anytime to measure the time y speed get mixed up with the assumption that light move at the same speed in all directions. Experimental method. Even with this challenge, science have found clear way to uh, uh, estimate the speed of light. Zone experience 1845. Importantly, Vincent was one of the first of attention the speed of light used a routine to the well and like them the reflected of a distant mirror. By charging the well speed, the code mirror how past light passed through we at the well's graphs. Michelson Refinement 1879. Albert Michelson involved one Vision's method by using a routing mirror. This work provided a more accurate estimation of light speed and set the stake for students. Modern method. Today, sand use laser interferometry and atomic clock for more precise measurement. The importance of the speed of light in physical. The speed of light is not just a number. It plays a crucial role in physics. In science, quotient A sama dengan mc second persegi is connect energy and mass. It also said the ultimate speed limited in the universe nothing can travel faster than light. Implication of not being able to measure light speed directly. The past that we cannot directly measure the one-way speed of light show you some important idea in physical relativity of simultaneity. In science, in Einstein's theory of relativity, similarity when things happen at the same time is relief. What one observer thinks is happening at the same time might be different to other observer. This makes it hard to synchronize clock of measuring the one-way speed of light. Operational difference. In physical, we often different things based on how we measure them. The speed of light is different as 299, 792, 4, 458 meter per second, which makes it very constant in the International System of Units (SI). Psychological question. The need to make assumptions raises interesting questions about reality and measurement. Can we truly know the one-way speed of light, or are we limited by our method? Conclusion. Although we can measure the speed of light in physical way, We can directly measure it in the traditional sense because of the special properties of light and the limit of your tools. This limitation is just a technical insurance. It's giving you Stephen insight into how the universe works. It's how the relationship between measurement theory and the most constant the govern reality. By accepting the challenge, we can understand like space and time better, helping us appreciate the beauty and complexity of the universe. That's all from me. Thank you for your attention.